One of the other questions that I did want to touch on is around the private insurance and
Yes.
and how that helps patients in gaining access to new medications or to medications.
Absolutely. So I currently work for Pacific Blue Cross. We're the largest private insurance in British Columbia. And what private insurance does is it really additionally then enhances access for people. Private insurance is usually provided through your employer, or you can purchase your own individual plan. And what it does is you can think of it kind of like a bridging. So with provincial coverage, we haven't touched on this yet, but most plans within provincial coverage, you have a deductible, which means that you are 100% responsible for a certain amount of the drug cost before the provincial plan kicks in. Once the provincial plan kicks in, usually there's also what we call a copay, where the provincial program might cover 70 or 80 or 90% of the cost. You're still responsible for a certain percentage until you hit a ceiling maximum, and sometimes that ceiling can be quite high. So that can create access problems for individuals because sometimes they can't even afford the deductibles and the copays. So private insurance then picks up those deductibles and copays, and so it enables you to get access to much needed medications. The other thing with private insurance is it's all based on the particular plan that you choose or your employer chooses, and so you can also get access to medications faster because it doesn't rely on that common drug review process and the PCPA process, because your employer has negotiated a plan that perhaps allows, as soon as the drug's available for sale in Canada, then it becomes eligible for coverage. So again, there's many different plans, there's complexity within private insurance as well, but it also enhances access to medications that people need, and perhaps much sooner.